Bringing a new kitten into your home is an exciting experience filled with joy, curiosity, and plenty of questions about their care. One of the first responsibilities as a new pet parent is determining when to schedule their first veterinary appointment. Proper timing is essential to ensure your kitten gets off to a healthy start in life, and a well-timed vet visit can help address health concerns, set up a vaccination schedule, and establish a care routine. Generally, the ideal time for your kitten's first vet appointment is within a few days of bringing them home, typically when they are around 6 to 8 weeks old. At this age, they are beginning to wean from their mother and are transitioning into independence. Visiting the vet early allows you to identify any potential health issues, establish a baseline for your kitten's health, and receive valuable advice about nutrition, litter box training, and socialization. During the first appointment, the veterinarian will perform a thorough physical exam to assess your kitten's overall health. This includes checking their eyes, ears, nose, mouth, skin, and coat, as well as listening to their heart and lungs. Your vet will also palpate their abdomen to ensure there are no abnormalities and may examine their teeth to check for proper growth and alignment. Another critical aspect of this visit is testing for parasites. Kittens are particularly susceptible to internal parasites like roundworms and hookworms, which they can acquire from their mother or environment. A fecal test is typically conducted to identify any infestations, and the vet may prescribe deworming medications if necessary. External parasites such as fleas, ticks, and mites are also common in kittens, and your vet can recommend safe treatments to eliminate and prevent these pests. Vaccinations are another key component of your kitten's first vet visit. Kittens require a series of vaccinations to protect them from serious diseases. The first set of core vaccines, which includes protection against feline panleukopenia, calicivirus, and rhinotracheitis, is usually administered at 6 to 8 weeks of age. Booster shots will follow every 3 to 4 weeks until the kitten is about 16 weeks old. Your vet may also discuss optional vaccines based on your kitten's lifestyle, such as protection against feline leukemia virus. In addition to physical health, the first vet visit is an excellent opportunity to discuss your kitten's diet and nutritional needs. Kittens require a diet specifically formulated for their growth and energy levels. Your vet can recommend high-quality kitten food and help you determine how often to feed them. They may also provide advice on transitioning from wet to dry food or vice versa, as well as discuss appropriate portion sizes to prevent overfeeding. Socialization and behavior are other important topics to cover during this appointment. Your vet can offer guidance on how to introduce your kitten to new environments, people, and other pets, helping them grow into a confident and well-adjusted adult cat. They may also address common behavioral challenges, such as litter box training or discouraging biting and scratching during play. Spaying or neutering is another crucial aspect of kitten care, and your vet will likely bring this up during the first visit. These procedures are typically performed when kittens are around 5 to 6 months old, though some vets may recommend earlier surgery depending on the kitten's size and health. Spaying or neutering not only prevents unwanted litters but also reduces the risk of certain health issues, such as uterine infections in females and testicular cancer in males. Microchipping is another important consideration for your kitten's safety. This simple, permanent form of identification greatly increases the chances of being reunited with your kitten if they become lost. The procedure can be done during a routine visit or at the time of spaying or neutering. Your kitten's first vet visit is also a chance to establish a long-term relationship with the veterinarian. Building trust with your vet is essential for your kitten's ongoing health, as it ensures they receive consistent, high-quality care throughout their life. Regular checkups are recommended every 6 months to a year, even if your kitten appears healthy, as these visits help catch potential issues early. After the appointment, it's important to monitor your kitten for any signs of discomfort or reactions to vaccinations. Mild lethargy or soreness at the injection site is common and typically resolves within a day or two. If you notice any severe reactions, such as swelling, vomiting, or difficulty breathing, contact your vet immediately. To make the first vet visit as stress-free as possible, prepare in advance by gathering any relevant information about your kitten's history, such as their age, dietary habits, and any previous medical records if available. Use a secure and comfortable carrier for transportation, and consider placing a familiar blanket or toy inside to help soothe your kitten during the journey. Scheduling your kitten's first veterinary appointment is one of the most important steps in their journey to a healthy and happy life. This visit sets the foundation for their future care, helps identify and address any immediate health concerns, and provides you with the knowledge and tools to be a confident and informed pet parent. By taking the time to establish a strong partnership with your veterinarian, you can ensure that your kitten receives the best possible care for years to come. When you return home after the vet visit, make sure to give your kitten a calm and quiet environment to rest. The experience may have been overwhelming for them, especially if they are very young and not used to traveling or being handled by strangers. Avoid introducing new stimuli or people immediately after the visit, as this can increase their stress levels. Instead, focus on providing comfort through gentle petting and reassurance, allowing them to settle back into their familiar surroundings. If your veterinarian has provided any medications, such as dewormers or flea treatments, ensure that you follow the instructions carefully. Administering these treatments correctly and on schedule is crucial for your kitten's health. If you encounter any challenges, such as difficulty giving pills, contact your vet for tips or alternative methods, like flavored liquid medications. Keep a close eye on your kitten's eating, drinking, and litter box habits in the days following the appointment. These activities can be indicators of their overall well-being. A sudden lack of appetite, excessive lethargy, or changes in bowel movements could suggest a reaction to a treatment or an unrelated health issue that requires further attention. Report any concerning symptoms to your veterinarian promptly. It's also worth considering pet insurance early on, as it can help offset the costs of future medical care. Many providers offer plans that cover wellness visits, vaccinations, and unforeseen emergencies. Comparing policies and choosing a plan that suits your budget and your kitten's needs can provide peace of mind as they grow. Remember that every kitten is unique, and their needs may vary. Some kittens may require more frequent vet visits due to pre-existing conditions, unusual symptoms, or breed-specific health risks. Discuss any specific concerns with your vet, who can tailor recommendations to suit your kitten's individual requirements. Lastly, use the information and guidance from the vet visit as a starting point for continuous learning about your kitten's health and behavior. Regularly updating your knowledge about common feline illnesses, dietary advancements, and care techniques will empower you to provide the best possible life for your new furry family member, by being proactive and attentive. You can ensure that your kitten not only thrives physically but also develops the confidence and trust that comes from feeling safe and loved in their new home. The first veterinary appointment is just the beginning of a lifelong partnership between you, your kitten, and your veterinarian, all working together to give your pet the healthiest and happiest life possible.